Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nurul Hanis Anasa binti Muhammad Sabri and my metric number is 181221957. So today I will be talking about our company, which is Paradise Suite. The nature of our business is we are a company of 5-star hotel experience. The location of our business is located in Port Dickson, Negeri Sembilan. The date of commencement of our company is January 15th on 2019. And our vision is to aspire to be acknowledged regionally and accepted globally. Our mission is we are committed in providing and delivering outstanding services. The next thing that I will be talking is the factor in selecting the proposed venture. First is hotel location, since our hotel is located in the center of the city. Second one is the hotel amenities. We have prepared excellent services such as internet facilities and Wi-Fi that are mandatory in every room. The third one is online booking. We make sure to work with only selected reputable hotel booking website and our own hotel website. As for operation strategy, the first one is remuneration plan. For salary, the basic wages will be paid in cash as stipulated in the employment contract. The working hours works like a shift, which is 7 to 3 p.m., 3 p.m. to 11 p.m., and the last one is 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. As for SWOT analysis, the first one is strength. Firstly, Paradise Suite does contribute to the local economies. We want to give this opportunity to help our youth as well as those who are still looking for a job for any kind of job scope, which is groundworks, landscaping, banking, service, and entertainment. Besides, we do have our weaknesses. First one is high hotel rates. Second one is unfavorable tax rate. The next one is opportunities. Paradise Suites has an opportunity to enjoy a year-round influx of customers. The last one is threat. Alternative lodging like Airbnb has already posed enough threat to the hotel industry. That's all
Hi,
from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syahrul Iman bin Muhammad Siddiq. My metric number is 1812211875. Alright, today I want to talk about my part, which is process of production. Either service or product, both of these need the process that need to be followed to make sure all the work went smoothly following the standard operating procedure SOP. Alright, for our service, Hotel Paradise Shoot, we have set the SOP, the own SOP for each department. Alright, the department that we have been choose is front office, housekeeping, food and beverage, and also the maintenance. Alright, for front office, we all know about this department. If we need to make a payment, if we need to booking the room, we need to call the front office to ask anything else. Alright, for housekeeping, this this department is also important for our service because they need to make sure all the surrounding of our hotel is clean up, especially the room of the guests. Alright, next is food beverage. Food and beverage is different between the kitchen. Alright, the kitchen is prepared food. Uh, while the food and beverage is to serve the food to the guests. Alright, for the maintenance is also give a big role to our service because they need to repair all the broken tools in our hotels. Alright, for this 4 department, we have set the step or that we call SOP that each department need to follow to make sure their work complete 100%. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Najat Alia binti Muhammad Nizam. My metric number is 1812211906. Now I will proceed with the quality procedure from the assignment. Okay, what I put in the quality procedure first is the control document. Control document is about all the centralized document that we will keep in a system called system management. The document can be either the one we retrieve or one we created. The second one in quality procedure is control of record. It is about the administration of document, file and reports. Example of report is the internal audit reports. The third one is internal audit. Internal audit, the example is financial audit. The fourth one is control of non-conformity, meaning that what will happen if we are failed to fulfill requirement either from the business or from the customer. So what will what we will do is we will fill a report about the problem, and then we will have an audit team member to check upon the problem before an action plan was developed. Okay, the last one is the preventive and corrective action. Preventive action is about quality management that focus on fixing any employee behavior or salute action. And for preventive action is step that is required to prevent any potential problem, meaning we will trace the problem earlier. So in this both two things, we have 3 steps to overcome this problem. First is the clear identification of the problem, and then in-depth documenting process, and the last one is we will develop an action plan. That's
Assalamualaikum
all from me.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Rosa Shima binti Hashim. My metric number is 1812219996. I'm from class 21A. Today I will present about the human resources of Paradise Suite Hotel. Okay, first of all, let me explain what is the meaning of the human resources. Human resources relate to the people who make something up, the workforce of an organization, business sector, and also economy. These human resources are very important for an organization. This because human resources play an essential role in development company strategy as well as handling the employee activity of an organization. Okay, in human resources, we have the organizational chart. We can explain the organization chart is as can guide the employee to know their right and to know their responsibilities for work. Okay, in human resources organizational chart, there are a lot of positions, and top position is general manager, personnel director, personnel manager, and personnel officer, and also research and development personnel. The below of this organizational chart is personnel department and also training. The example of personnel department is payroll, and the example of training department is operative. Okay, in human resources, there are personal policies. Personal policies are statement of personal objective on an organization and provide a broad framework within which decision on personal matter can be made without reference to higher authorities. In the personal function in hotel includes many activities such as consideration of leadership style, relationship, and also responsibility, philosophy, social orientation, and also organizational structure. Okay, there are many areas of personal policies, and the example of personal policy is employment, education and training, health and safety, employer services, wages and salary administration, benefit, labor and industry relationship, and also the administration.
Assalamualaikum to Dr. E. My name is Muhammad Aidil bin Muhammad Noor. My matrix number is 181221889. I'll be continuing the presentation of my group assignment that related to current operation design. Firstly, the transformation process, which is consists 3 parts: input, transformation process itself, and output. The transformation process consists of product or service, capacity of operation, operation planning system, operation organization, human resource, technology, facility, and operational control system. Then we move to the operation activity. That were several activity that were included by that be run by our company, which is revenue management, staffing, and hiring. Next, on the technology that being used by our hotel is smart guest experience. It allows hotel to predict and optimize the number of guests, service based on previous visit and aggregate data. Secondly, smart reserve parking, a smart sensor mechanism that will allow guests to reserve parking space in advance of their visit and have space allocated upon arrival. Thirdly, mobile rooms key. They can get room service access through their mobile apps. Lastly, smart room service is smart occupancy sensor that will help hotel push menu notification onto smartphone at optimal time when the guests are in the room. On the job analysis related to the job description that were involved in our hotel is general manager, personnel director, personnel manager, personnel officer, and personnel research and development. Lastly, in the verbal explanation, our company using the one-way communication method and two-way communication method. The verbal communication skill that being used in our company is advising us on the correct action, assertiveness, conveying feedback, and in a positive way that stresses real, changeable behavior, display of staff in a clear and respectful manner, offer credit to others, and acknowledging and countering objections. That's all from me.